व्हेन ही प्रपोज टू मी तब हमने स्टार्ट किया डिजाइन करना। तो मैंने बाहर से अपने जो सूखी डंडियां होती है टेरेस की वो काट काट के आई मेड दिस। वी हैड नो इंटीरियर डिजाइनर
खुद ने किया। In this episode of Wild Glow Korean Skincare presents At Home with me, Nayandeep. Today we are going inside somebody's house who I've known for 14 years. 14 years she would not know, but she would know that I know her for 11 years. Actually, करिश्मा तन्ना के घर पे आए हैं हम and without further ado, let's ring the bell. But before that, let me tell you that this episode is presented by Wild Glow. Wild Glow, founded by Rohit Khemka, is India's answer to futuristic skincare, bridging the geographical distance between India and South Korea. Wild Glow products, whether it's the viral overnight collagen masks or the turmeric and kojic acid cleansing pads, gives you glass-like glow with the very first use. I've been using it and you can see that myself. So without further ado, let's ring the bell. Hello! What's up?
How are you?
All good. You've called me home.
Please
Finally. Oh my god, ये बात हमने देखा ही नहीं भैया. This is the photo wall.
Yeah, this is like the photo wall right from we dating to our shadi to later our family picture and all that. So it's all like a journey.
Lovely yaar.
This is like when we were dating. This is my mehendi, shadi. This is haldi.
Haldi. That's also shadi.
Yeah, that's also
I love your wedding pictures. I love your wedding pictures.
Thank you, thank you.
I had actually teared up.
Really?
I swear. Because I know, the point is that when you know somebody, then you feel so happy for you, that other person being
Correct.
like, and
Yeah.
you're in every picture you have the full battisi out and it felt like so nice. But thank you for calling us
Thank
over
you.
and doing this. Let's
Thank
go.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Calling us home.
Of course.
When
This
did you move into this amazing, beautiful place? And I know that you like muted tones.
Yes.
And you have completely like kept beige and
Grays,
and browns
and
whites.
browns, yeah.
So that was always the plan.
Always, always.
Always the plan.
Luckily, me and my husband had the same color palette thought, and then we just made it. We had no interior designer.
खुद ने किया?
हम दोनों थोड़े से उसके input, थोड़े से मेरे input, and we just.
So इधर basically input कौन सा किसका है?
So lot of things like this plant idea is mine. This sofa color was his idea. The tan sofa was his idea. The center table was my idea. That wooden chair was my idea. Curtains were together. The chandelier was totally my idea. I wanted this little.
Do you
west-
switch it on?
Yeah. Evenings we always switch it on. I like this whole feeling of a little dim light. And because we have like nice tall ceiling, we wanted to keep very light.
This is like a privilege and a luxury. Tall ceiling.
Yeah.
Also because this is a duple.
Yeah.
But still, for a duple also, it's a really tall ceiling. So you kind of utilized it, like you made sure that you kept this area open, like
Correct.
the living room.
Because that's how we wanted. So it looks a little grand, a little different. You don't get, this kind of a setup.
So you moved in after marriage?
Just after marriage, yeah.
So जब शादी हो रही थी तो ये प्लानिंग था कि
हाँ हम लोग डिजाइन कर रहे थे जब शादी हो रही थी, जब we were dating. So yeah, I mean when he proposed to me तब हमने start किया डिजाइन करना, and when we took it, it was in shambles totally. It was मतलब you'll not even recognize before.
Really, you have a picture? If you have send it.
I'll send it to you if I have.
But मतलब ये already बना हुआ था.
हाँ ये ऐसा ही था.
And you redesigned
Yes,
it. Achha,
totally. It was
lovely.
all, the flooring was broken, the walls were like all falling apart, but then we fixed it.
But tell me something, what about this? Like, where did you get this
Everybody asks me, this is my husband's choice. This was before marriage. I mean, he had it in his old apartment and he got it. He loves horses. He loves yin and yang kind of a...
And both of you are
Yeah.
that, no?
Yeah, we are. And that's what I think, it's lot of his personality in this. He loves this king horse, black and white. That's again his color palette. He
Yeah.
only wears whites or blacks. You'll always see him anytime. only blacks and whites. And if you see him in another color, I forced him to wear it. Trust me. Otherwise, given a choice, only blacks and whites. In
Only
his
blacks and whites. But tell me something, ये जो पूरा aesthetically आपने जगह बनाया है for pictures also ना, photo shoots and all.
नहीं, क्योंकि एक मेन वॉल है मेरे या एज एन उसमें है ना क्रॉकरीज है, ग्लासेस है, थोड़े से कचरा भी भर दिया है.
मुझे देखना है.
प्लीज देखो, ये देखो, देखो क्रॉकरी.
Are you a hoarder of crockery?
I love different crockeries. I love it. मतलब यही सब है.
वो एक दिल्ली में ना कोई बंजारा मार्केट या कुछ है.
हाँ.
Because I'm obsessed. My mother and I are obsessed about crockery. Okay. Oh God. I should have got the crockery gift for you. I swear.
Okay, you can send it to me.
I will still send it to you.
You can just email.
I'll send it to you.
Email, I'm saying.
Email, yeah, email. I will email the crockery gift to you.
You can just courier it.
It's a Myntra gift voucher, something like that. No. I will.
नहीं, इधर कुछ नहीं है.
ये सब क्या है?
कचरा. See. Again, candles.
Listen, that Banjara market is crazy. And they have like वो जो मुझे ना asymmetric crockery बहुत पसंद है, like you know those थोड़ा side से ऐसे ऐसे कट गया है and all that, and those designs, you love them?
Yeah, I like.
Done, buddy.
Send it to
me. Done. ये lamps जो है,
हाँ.
You like lights, right?
I love candles. I like lights. Yes, I love vases. I love brass. So basically, this I've just done a DIY. This thing. So I already had this vase and I wanted to put something which is aesthetically pretty. So मैंने बाहर से अपने जो सूखी डंडियाँ होती है टेरेस की वो काट के I've made this.
Oh, from there?
Yeah, those छोटी डंडीज I've taken and I've just designed it myself.
I was gonna ask you that a lot of people like I like dried flowers. I keep it like.
Love, yeah, me too.
So there are people like me and you who actually like.
These are dried only, na?
Yeah.
This is dried flowers.
Yeah.
This is dried. This is bougainvillea from my terrace.
Yeah.
This is dried. This is gypsy dried. That is also gypsy dried. So I love dried flowers also.
Oh,
like
wow.
I like a combination of real, as in this is fresh flowers.
Yeah, fresh flowers and these are also fresh.
Fresh flowers, yeah.
So who does the?
Me. Totally me. Totally me. Because I like my house looking different. मैं कुछ ना कुछ इधर नया setup कर लूँगी. फिर this lamp will come here. So I like changing and keeping, you know, the movement on. I like it. I think interior designer कर सकते हैं
ना. मुझे लगता है कर सकते हैं. Because I love this space. Honestly, it's such a good utilization of this space in terms of colors. It's very aesthetic. मेरे को ये बताइए कि ये जो पूरा arrangement है, ये आपने एक ही जगह से खरीदे? You got it from different places?
Yeah, from different. One I've got it made also. Another one is ready made online. बहुत सारा. It's a mix of everything. This is also this whole thing which you'll see. This is also like a very nice space which we made. I wanted like
ladder.
Yeah, like different things on it. These are all my awards which I got for Scoop. Another,
That's the Filmfare you got.
That's Filmfare. That's Dadasaheb Phalke. This is Busan Film Festival. I had gone to Korea, so I got 2 awards.
You will love it. Oh, because I was discussing this with you a few days ago when we were supposed to do this. You were in Korea. I was in Korea last year. Did you do the skincare there?
Of course I did.
Buddy, you're gonna love what I'm gonna gift you because it's a gift of Korean skincare products. It's like in plenty. It's like a hamper.
There is it.
It is there. You will get it. You have to play a game, of course, for it.
Oh.
And you have to win that game. But Korea mein, what are the viral Korean skincare products that you tried up till now?
I tried what is it, that cream which was there? I've got a couple of them. I don't remember the name. Anuva is one.
Yeah, but have you used those collagen
masks? Yeah.
Sleeping masks, the overnight ones?
Yeah, I have.
Oh, you're gonna get them in plenty. मतलब इतने सारे हैं कि आपका 1 महीना चल जाएगा. 1 महीने से ज़्यादा ही चल जाएगा. ऐसा है. Because I am using them every day. Like right now also, Bhavna, my friend, you know Bhavna, journalist friend, has gone to Korea. So I've given a list.
Really?
And the list is like endless.
But
did you do skin analysis and everything?
Yeah. It's like nice and young. They said I don't need anything.
Wow, what was your skin score?
I don't know.
Where did you go? Individual? Love them.
Yeah, they're so good. I want that same concept here actually.
I was telling people that just get it here. But it's so important that if they could get it here, people are gonna go crazy. But all these things that where have you picked them up from?
From
Like,
different places. Like this is just a Marshall speaker. Then this when we had gone to Europe. I love candles, as I told you. Different candles. This is online.
yeah, yeah.
That's about it. Like different artifacts from different places.
And you wanted like I can see lights everywhere. Like
Yeah.
there's a lamp there, there's a lamp here, there are lights here,
Yeah.
there's a chandelier here. Oh,
Yeah.
so
And
light.
this is a northeast corner,
Yes.
so I wanted Buddha, which
Ah.
is actually where is it gone? The lights. Oh, this, yeah. So there's like a water flow.
Oh, you like it,
I
now the
love
peace
this
and the.
peace. See the
you know,
sound?
You're in Bandra, but there is so much of like sukoon here in the noisy. Like people who understand Bandra is quite noisy in the morning.
It is, in
But
Bandra.
which is your favorite place?
This is my favorite place. I sit here. My husband, when my husband comes and he sits here, I sit here. Then dining table is also like a good place, or the bedroom.
मैंने ये कॉफी मशीन देखा है.
हाँ.
आप
ये
कितना कॉफी पीते हो?
मैं दिन में एक बार पी लेती हूँ सुबह या अगर मन हुआ तो शाम को भी.
ये कॉफी आप खुद बनाते हो?
खुद बनाती हूँ.
मुझे पीना है.
Okay, done.
वाह. Karishma Tanna is making me coffee. Have you
Yeah.
already had your coffee?
Yeah, I know. 5 o'clock, no. I generally have at 5, so you're
Acha.
perfect. Perfect.
Tanna is making me. Tanna, how many years do we know each other? You just zara nach ke dikha, no? Do you know? Let me give you a fact check.
What?
You and I met.
In Zara Naske dekha?
No. 2011 we met. But let me tell you that I was this young journalist from Calcutta who used
What?
to call and annoy you and do interviews for Zara Nach Ke Dikha.
What are you
Or
saying?
Telegraph in
Really?
schools. I'm not kidding.
What
I
are
used to
you-
be in school and I used to call you guys. Daniel Weber था ना तब Weber Shandwick या Daniel Weber, whoever was the PR, they were doing Zara Nach Ke Dikha.
Really?
And I've called all of you. I
Coffee.
keep telling.
Yay! And I'll have mine also.
Please have. So Varun also
He loves.
loves coffee.
Loves.
All good people love coffee.
ना?
इसमें क्या है? I've
इसमें
become this.
दारू, इसमें bottle.
मेरे काम की चीज
ओहो।
नहीं है. इसमें भी क्रॉकरी है basically
Crockery
glasses. Oh, you love bacha bro.
I love bacha. This
Bro.
is bacha what you are having.
Oh, which is your favorite? How did you put the? This is
Beans.
that. Oh, you can do it with
It's
that.
coffee beans, no? ये खत्म हो गया.
There's a coffee maker. Oh no.
Oh, there's another one which is with Varun.
You have to try
The bacha.
the Nigerian flavor.
Nigerian is which color? Pink.
No, Nigerian is the maroon, like dark maroon. I can't tell you.
It's tasty. Wow.
It's divine. And then this is Nairobi flavor. Kenya or Nairobi, whatever flavor. It's the golden pack. जो मुझे उन्होंने चूना लगा के बेच दिया. But सिंगापुर एयरपोर्ट पे तो मैंने चूना लगा दिया. But well, never mind. Which is your favorite place? जहाँ पे आप बैठते ज़्यादा हो?
Hall.
Hall पे. But what is this place that you've made?
Okay, come. The dining area where we all sit and have lunch and dinner.
Lovely.
Mainly dinner because my husband's home that time.
Okay.
So yeah, I mean.
This also you got from like the same space because it looks similar.
Yeah, no, these are online.
Okay, there's the colors.
Yeah, and this is also from South Bombay somewhere. I don't remember where. It's been
Sobo.
long. And then yeah.
This is the biggest privilege that a Mumbaiker can have.
What is it?
In Calcutta we have it. It's called veranda. Okay, which is a balcony. But in Bombay, I've heard people like crib and cry about not having balconies.
Yeah, this
Did
is
you
like
grow up in a house with balconies?
I grew up in a house where I had terrace.
Oh,
Yeah.
I love the swing. Love it.
It's yeah.
Either you chill.
Yeah, we chill in better weather.
Better weather.
Yeah.
That's a lot.
Because my husband likes Mykonos a lot. I tried to like give him a little Mykonos feel right here.
Did you go?
Yeah, on his birthday we were there.
Wow.
That's about it. Last year.
Wow. So this is oh, I love this.
This is like an ashtray.
I love this. Wow. Where did you pick this from?
London.
London. This
On
is
a-
so good.
On like a street pop-up.
Yeah, and that wall which you spoke about also I love.
Nice, no?
Of course, we're gonna show them, but I love this.
The jhula sit.
Listen, I thought you can. Oh, sorry.
No,
You
nothing.
can put me on the jhula forever and ever. I can sit, sleep, eat. I can do anything. Like this is the first thing that I've told my brother.
Yeah?
So my brother and my father both are civil engineers. So
Wow.
they're designing the house but interiors I will do. And the first thing, two things I told. My
Jula?
brother knew Jula and bathtub.
But that is very important.
My brother is like bathtub मैं तेरे लिए करवा दूंगा इस बार अब हो गया. This like how did you what did you think of the concept about this place when you were designing it? Because it's like a sit down, like a chill area.
Yeah, like I wanted a lot of plants. I like a lot of greenery, so that I thought. Jula because
Jula.
I want to chill.
There's
have
a
a good
Buddha here also.
Yeah, so we like Varun likes Buddhas a lot.
Yeah.
So that, and then I was very clear. I want bogans.
Ah.
I want money plants. So all of that I've like kind of with time I have put, and I like this nice क्या बोलते हैं इसको fairy lights.
Fairy lights.
I like it. And
But
then
party space कौन सा? ये वाला या वो वाला? ये वाला.
दोनों. People come here, then go in.
How often do you host parties?
Once in 2 months. Not a big party fan.
person.
And plus, I'm very cleanliness freak when it comes to house. Not my bags and all. Generally, when I'm like traveling and all, as I mentioned before. But my house, everything's very light and white and
Yeah.
all. If someone drops anything,
कुछ हुआ है ऐसा कभी कि पार्टी किया और किसी ने वाइन गिरा दिया या फिर कुछ हो गया?
नहीं खाना गिराया है और फिर मेरा मुंह it shows on my face that I'm very like, oh please take care, please be careful, and I'm like that. So I'm like, rather just do less parties.
That's true.
It's better.
That's true. We have a small game. Quickly, I'm gonna give you 3 letters. Okay? One camera is going to follow you. Now, 10 सेकंड का वक्त है. आपको वो लेटर का कुछ भी चीज लेके आना. Like suppose I say T, you get tie, then I give it to you. And if you get it in time, then you get a gift from Wild Glow. Okay, Wild Glow Korean skincare, and you will love the product because I know that you love Korean.
Okay.
Okay? First letter would be B. B.
B.
B.
B.
B.
Bird.
This is a statue. This is a bird statue though.
Fine. Bowl. I'll give you bowl.
बोल हाँ इसलिए तो मैंने बोला ये क्रॉकरी क्वीन हमारी.
Bowl. Where is it? Bowl.
बोल मिला. चलिए एक तो मिला. 10 सेकंड से ज्यादा बच चुका. I love you too much. Next one would be S.
S.
S. S से क्या होता है?
S से क्या होता है? जब मैं सोचूं उसके बाद 10 सेकंड स्टार्ट होते हैं.
अच्छा.
Shawl.
वाह. के अपना.
K. Kettle.
केटल. केटल मिल गया. वाह बहन. शॉल, केटल और बोल ने we would have played a little more, but I know you have waited a lot for us also.
Yes.
And देखो तुम अगर नहीं भी ये करती तो भी तुमको गिफ्ट मिलने वाला था. तो वो गिफ्ट तो आपके आंखों के सामने ही था. I would have played a longer game, but ठीक है. You know you would have won anyway. This hamper from Wild Glow Skincare is for you. It's got pimple patches. This is outstanding, bro.
Oh.
Because of makeup and everything, I've been using this. I don't use makeup, but to just cleanse your face, it's an exfoliator and everything. And these are the viral overnight masks. It's the same. So these are made in Korea, but it's an Indian brand selling everything that is made in Korea. And there's of course a gua sha set.
Wow. Okay, I'm gonna use everything.
Please
Thank you,
keep.
thank you, thank you. I love it.
But thank you so much for doing
Thank
this,
you,
Katie.
thank you.
Such a pretty house.
Thank you.
Hopefully next time you call me, we will meet your sas and your mother and
Yes.
your pati for sure.
For sure.
Pati for sure.
Sure.
But thank you so much for doing this
Thank
episode of
you,
At
thank
Home.
you. Thank you so much.